Hey, ever feel curious about the HQ of TikTok, which is, right, the owner company called ByteDance, right? The HQ in Singapore. Are you curious about that? And most important of all, as a business pivoting, right, from offline to online in TikTok, right? What is actually ByteDance driving? What kind of resources they are providing you in pivoting onto TikTok as a business? And for this episode of Let Me Get Real with You, I will be sharing with you my mini adventure in being invited for a networking session of about 3 hours at ByteDance HQ Singapore, and updates about what are the resources as presented by their chief of this community called Launchpad. What kind of resources they are making it available for businesses, especially for service-based businesses pivoting onto TikTok? What kind of marketing resources are making available to you? So if this interests you, continue to stay on this video. And when you watch to the end, I have a bonus for you. So what are the things that get me to be invited is that ultimately, right, of course, as you know, in the modern day social media, as of this moment, many things are behind the scene are AI powered, right, on the social media platform, right? Not just ChatGPT or DeepSeek, right? Even social media platform is like AI powered to help both ways, right? The owner of the platform as well as us as users, right, to make it a more meaningful user experience. Okay, so here we are. So finally, right, this I come to a point of time that my account can be identified as a service-based kind of business, right? Leveraging on a TikTok platform to promote my own brand of this service, right? And of course, my role will be a digital marketer and coach, right? And so here we are. So finally, I receive a notifications to ask of my interest to register, right, and to be invited to HQ, right, TikTok HQ in Singapore, based in Singapore, right, at One Raffles Quay, right, and of course the owner of the TikTok, it will be ByteDance company, right? Okay, so of course I grabbed the opportunity to get myself registered, not because of the networking, no, because it's to me it's a wonderful, right, wonderful opportunity to learn, right? To learn from the expert, of course, which is the the expert, right? The TikTok staff, which I call them the expert, right? And they are the marketing expert because they are backed up by a huge amount of data for marketing campaigns. That is the reason why I mentioned that I am excited to visit them and listen to have first-hand updates about trends, about marketing trends, right? About the trends in the marketplace, especially talking about service-based, right? Service-based kind of business, which is what I'm doing. My expertise will be specifically in the technical and support, right? For anyone that wants to pivot, especially if you are a solopreneur who wants to pivot from offline to online, in the context of setting up your own digital business ecosystems, right? This is something that I can support you, right? So you focus on building your business. So leave the technical, the ever-changing technical aspect to people like us, right? Okay.